Hi my friends, today we're gonna cover the last 3 questions in test number 1 SAT math. So please try to practice this test many times until you get full mark in order to find the other tests very easy. Question number 25. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation y equals negative x power 2 plus 9x minus 100 intersects the line y equals c at exactly 1 point. What is the value of c? Try to read carefully the question and understand everything and imagine the question to solve it in a very easy way. This is the equation. So if you want to draw this equation, you will get a parabola. Its vertex, the parabola will be downward, not upward. The parabola will be downward, not upward. And then the question said that there is a line intersect this graph in a point y equal c. That means it's a constant function like that y equals 2. How I can graph it at 2? I'm gonna do a line parallel to x-axis, and in the same way that means this line intersect the graph in just one point, so this point must be the vertex. So here I can draw the line. So this is the question, and now the question asks what is the value of y coordinate. What is the value of y coordinate of this point? If you get it, that means you get C. And all of us know that this point refers to the vertex of the parabola. And I can get the x and y coordinate. The x equals to negative b over 2a. And the y equals f of x. After getting this value, you substitute in the function and then get the value of y. And now it's so clear that x equal negative b over 2a, and negative b is the coefficient of x, so negative 9 over 2 times a is the coefficient of x power 2, so 2 times negative 1 equals 4.5. And now you can take this value and substitute in the equation to get the value of y, which is refers to the value of c. As you see, negative 4.5 power 2 plus 9 times 4.5 minus 100. After calculation, you will get y equals negative 319 over 4, which also the value of c. And back to the question, we will find that number c is the correct. Question number 26 gives you 2 equations for each real number r, which of the following points lays on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for the given system. Here the question gives you two coordinates x and y and asks you which one satisfy the two equations. You have two ways to achieve that. You can use each x and get the y. If it's equals to the y coordinate, you are right. And you have another way, more easier. First, you can solve the two equations. You will find that I can get this equation pi times 8 pi 3 times 3. So you will get 10x plus 15y equals 35. That means both the two equations are the same. That means the two lines are coincident. The two lines are coincident. So that I have to check 2 points here, 2 values for r. Suppose that we're gonna check 0 and 1. And you have to check 2 points because 0 may be in this line and 1 may be in this line. We have many lines pass the 1. Many lines pass the 0. So you have to check 2 points and then substitute in the choices, and then you will get values for each x and y, and then you have to check each one. And when you do that, you will find that number p is the correct. Why? Because if you substitute instead of x here 7 over 2 and then get y. So 7 over 2 times 2 will be 7, and then solve for y. We will get 7 minus 7 equal 3y. So y equals to 0. That means this achieve the first equation, and in the same time it will achieve the second one. And then we're gonna check this point. After substituting pi r, we will get the x coordinate 2 and y 1. Let's check. 2 times 2 equals to 4 plus 3y equals to 7. So 4 will transfer to the other side. And hence 3y equals to 7 minus 4, which is 3. So 3y equals to 3. That means y equals to 1. So that number p is the correct answer. Question number 27. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 624 centimeters. The height of this triangle is k root 3 centimeter, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? As usual, first we're gonna draw the question. An equilateral, that means all sides are equal, and the given data are the perimeter and the height. And it's so simple to get the one side value by dividing the perimeter, which is the sum of the 3 sides lengths, over 3. That means you get the side equals to 208. And since the triangle is an equilateral, that means each angle here is 60. And now I can get the area of this triangle, because the area of triangle equals to half the multiplication of any two sides. Suppose these two sides times sine the angle between them, and hence it will equal 2632 times root 3 over 2. And also I can get the area by multiplying half base. Suppose this is the base times the height. So the height here equals to k root 3. K root 3. So I have the area. I'm gonna substitute by the area here. And then you will get an equation in just one variable, which is k. And you can solve this easily using the calculator. Simply just write it as it is. 10816 3 equals, take care, we wouldn't press here, we're gonna press the red equal, and then alpha equal, and then half times 208 times k, any variable I can write it as x, alpha x, and then times root 3, and then shift solve. You ask the calculator to get the variable and then equal. So the answer A is 104. That means the value of k is 104. That's all, my friends. See you. Goodbye.